nagpapamahal si James sa kanila dahil nga ito tumikit na Pure Foods.
Pero tinuturo ka rin ng kaburi. Hello daw sa'yo.
Alright.
As we are in the middle of a 21-9 scoring run ng Pure Foods dito sa fourth and final quarter. So ito na naman yung problema ng Wellcoat pagdating sa fourth quarter scoring.
That's right, no? Kaya nga ito, pero with 4 minutes and 13, tingnan natin if the Dragons can hang on. Remember, they led by as much as 24 points in the ballgame. Nakawala si Devance, pero wala yung kanyang tira. And here's Chico Lanete. Nalubong ni Corey Santi. Looking at Kirby Raimundo at the post against Devance, forcing him to go baseline. One fake, kicks it out. Oh, 3-second violation. Tawag against Pure Foods.
Ito si Ralimi, akala niya titira niya yung wingman niya, pero inikot pa nila yung bola hanggang kay James Yap. They got whistled for that 3-second violation. Coach Ryan making an adjustment here. PJ Simon, dinispatch na.
Ito yung si Rob Wainwright, who will hit the big shot para sa Wellcoat Dragons. Bagyon. Perimeter passing para sa Wellcoat. They go inside na, tapigan from behind, pero kasamang kamay yung hataw dito ni Lanete. Peter Jun Simon, papasok na.
Papalitan si Chico Balboa Lanete.
Roylan Bagyon, binigyan ng screen itong si Gaines. Bagyon to the corner, Corey Santi na libre, and another big basket for Corey Santi.
Stepping on the line lamang yun. Sayang, munti ka na mag-interest para kay Santi, but still good enough for his 9th point in this ballgame.
Traveling, called against Kirby Raimundo.
And back-to-back turnovers by Pure Foods, giving Wellcoat a little bit more breathing room dito sa endgame.
So here's Bagyon. They're protecting a 7-point lead. Corey Santi to Gaines. Siya naman ang titira sa labas. Wala. Rebound to Ralimi. James Yap with a leather. Biglang tumira. Mintes. Ralimi with another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin.
At yun na nga yung malas ng Pure Foods. It's been the story of the ball game. Napakaraming tutukan tira. Nakala mo may takip yung ring dun sa side nila.
Ito, nakaagaw naman ng Pure Foods ngayon. At may foul na binigay itong Wellcoat. Rob.
Outnumbered sila sa pagkakataong yun. He had to give up that foul to try and set up the defense.
Ito Pure Foods, may pag-asa pa rin na makalapit dito sa Wellcoat Dragons. A 30-second timeout is called on the floor. At sabi nga natin, itong Pure Foods DJ Giants, parating may pagkakataon na mahagante laban sa Wellcoat Dragons, pero itong Wellcoat gustong dominahin ang mga higante. They want to duplicate what happened in the first meeting. Kasi po nanalo ang Wellcoat Dragons 110-103. In the meantime, paalala po natin bukas sa Araneta Coliseum ang ating mga laban. Talk and Text faces the Coca-Cola Tigers, and the Magnolia Beverage Masters faces the Red Bull Barajo. So, sa Araneta Coliseum po yan.
Pagkatapos yan ang tip-off starring
Richard Del Rosario.
Yeah. 4 po ng hapon Baka 4:30 na sila magbukas dahil narinig ikaw yung alas 4.
Marami tayong pwede sa tip-off na yan. Patuloy ito galaw ni James Yap.
James Yap scoring his first 2 points of the fourth quarter. May kasama pang foul. He's got 17 in total for the ball game.
James Yap again, when Pure Foods needs the point, they go to their superstar, and he doesn't disappoint. His ball club. Ito nga, meron pang 3-point play opportunity si James Yap. Sinasabi mo nga, nanahimik si James Yap sa fourth quarter.
Actually, he only put up 5 points in the first quarter, was blanked in the second quarter. Bigla na lang siya sumabog for 10 points in the third. Pero dito sa fourth quarter, yan pa lang ang una niyang field goal. And he throws to the line for a bonus shot. He's shooting 3 of 4 so far in this ball game mula dyan sa 15-foot line.
So once again threatening the well-coached Dragons, itong Pure Foods PJ Giants. James Yap on the line. Getting a lot of energy from the crowd inside the Mindanao Civic Center. And he nails the extra free throw, completing that three-point play, and the well-coached lead is down to 4 points. Ito na si Froylan Bagyon. Bagyon to Corey Santi. To the corner, inside pass to Gatos. Back outside. Rob Wainwright. Dang! Again, twist. Coming from Rob Wainwright once again. Outlast 2 minutes atid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad. And Rob Wainwright one more time with this big shot from the corner, a three-point basket.
Tinatanong mo kanina, Richard, sino ba magse-step up? Who will hit the big shot para dito sa Wellcoat? Rob Wainwright comes to the rescue.